my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to our community. Today I have a treat for you guys. I could not wait to share this with you guys. I actually discovered this a little while ago and I could not wait to order it and actually explore this brand, this niche brand that I've been loving. I actually have two perfumes from the brand so far. I have the very first one today for you guys. I am very excited because it is amazing, you guys. Spoiler alert, it's just otherworldly is the word that comes to my mind. It is Tabit by Tiziana Terenzi. This is an extrait de parfum, so it's the highest oil concentration. It's an amazing perfume. I cannot wait to tell you guys about this. If you guys want to know more about this perfume, please keep watching. So guys, this is how it arrived. I've never smelled anything like it. Honestly, I have over 200 perfumes in my collection, you guys. I think I'm nearing more like 250 right now. But this blew my mind. The last time a perfume blew my mind, it was the Fragrance du Bois Rose Oud Intense. Let me show you guys this gorgeous presentation. One of my friends recently introduced me to this brand, you guys. Tiziana Terenzi is an Italian perfume house. I did not know about this brand until recently, until my friend introduced me to it. Okay, let's unbox this, you guys. I could not wait. When this arrived, I already opened it and I tested it for a few days because I wanted to be ready for this review. But watch this. Yeah, so look at that box. Let me get this out of the packaging. Isn't that the most luxe thing you ever saw? Just wait till I open this, you guys. It's like the angels sing. Look at that light. There's a light in there, right there. That's a light, you guys. So this opens up, you guys, but also watch this. This comes down as well. Isn't that amazing? You getting a good look? So this is the gorgeous beauty inside. I'm gonna save this box, you guys, and it's gonna be displayed on my dressers. So this is pretty hefty, substantial box. And that's the Tiziana Terenzi logo. And this is the gorgeous, gorgeous beauty I'm going to be talking about today, you guys. This is Tabit by Tiziana Terenzi. This cap, by the way, this is hefty. It's a weighted cap. And look at this bottle. Isn't that the most gorgeous thing? I can smell this perfume. It's right here. I haven't even sprayed it and I can smell it. Oh, you guys, this smells. I was speechless when I first received this fragrance, you guys. I sprayed this and I was speechless. This smells otherworldly, like a goddess descending upon a white sandy beach, dressed in all white, flowy white or gold dress, walking on the beach. Just gorgeous. Oh my God, you guys. Let me spray this. Oh, it smells. Oh, wow. Guys, I'm speechless. I'm trying to come up with the best words to describe this perfume. When I sprayed this on for the first time, my husband was sitting in the living room and I was there in the living room and I sprayed this on and he was like, wow, that's gorgeous. Is that your new perfume? I said, yes. Oh, he said, yeah, that's the number one out of all the fragrances you have in your collection. Wow, that was something else. I have almost like 250 perfumes in my collection, you guys, and he said that about this one. And that's kind of how I felt too. It just knocked my socks off. This smells so gorgeous, beautiful, sexy, goddess-like, all rolled into one, all at the same time. And this is a very unique fragrance, by the way, you guys. There is a warm sand note in here. And I am telling you guys, when I sprayed this on, you know the picture I got in my head, like fragrances invoke these sort of scent memories and also invoke these kind of fragrances can transport you to places. That's what it did to me. When I sprayed this on, this transported me to a 7-star resort on an exotic island on a warm sandy beach. The sun was setting. I was wearing a long flowy gold dress, all dressed up, and I was walking barefoot on a warm sandy beach towards the resort. It's just where it transported me to. The word that came to my mind when I sprayed this was exotic. This smells exotic, exquisite. This has a warm sand note in it, which blew my mind, and you can actually smell the warm sand. But I'm telling you, that's not the only thing you smell. This has gorgeous exotic florals in here, warm sand note. There's like muskiness to this. This is very sexy, you guys. This is an exotic floral, sweet, musky, vanilla, powdery, woody, caramel, amber, and slightly green perfume, you guys. It'll blow your mind. It opens with this gorgeous bergamot and green notes that gives it this beautiful, fresh, sort of tropical opening. In the middle, you get some amazing notes, you guys. You get some gorgeous exotic florals, warm sand, coconut, and peach, which gives this the most amazing, exotic, island type of feel to this perfume. At the same time, very sexy because of the base notes. On the base, you get candy, like cotton candy, like sweet note, musk, vanilla, amber, and woody notes, you guys. This is just delicious, just delicious. This is like nothing. I am really, guys, no matter how many different words I use, unless you get your nose on this perfume, you will not know what I'm talking about. What gives this perfume, I think, that exotic edge, I think, is that warm sand note. That warm sand note kind of transports you to a warm sandy beach. You're lying on it, you're walking on it barefoot, wearing a long flowy dress, and your hair is blowing in the wind, and you look like a drop-dead gorgeous goddess. This fragrance house is blowing my mind, you guys. This is very cutting edge. This is very different from anything I've ever put my nose on. This is a very powerful yet soft, very light but sensual and sexy perfume. It's super sexy. I'm telling you guys, I sprayed this on that night, the day this arrived, and my husband was there, I told you, and he was blown away. Trust me, guys, he loved this perfume. I mean, he loved it.
He did. I loved it.
There he is. This perfume was bewitching. This fragrance is a very powerful yet soft, very sensual, sexy, yet playful, a radiant, exotic fragrance, you guys. This is an extrait de parfum, like I told you guys, so it's the highest oil concentration. This lasts and lasts and lasts on your skin and clothes, you guys. Be careful spraying this on your clothes because it will not go away even after you wash them. I sprayed this on, like I told you guys, that night. So I sprayed it on the night before. I took a shower. I went to bed, woke up, still smelled. I woke up in the gorgeous embrace of like that exotic warm sand, floral, sweet gorgeousness in the morning. It was such a beautiful feeling when I woke up. This one will last on your skin and on your clothes. Be careful. If you spray it a lot, this is the highest oil concentration. It might stain your clothes. I don't know yet. I haven't sprayed it on anything white. But be careful. Also, this will last and last and last on your clothes. I think even after one wash or even 2 washes, it might still be there. This is beast mode. Though it's beast mode, it's still very soft and sensual and sexy. It's just the most exotic, radiant perfume ever. I really don't have enough adjectives, enough words to describe it. By the way, you guys, it's a very expensive perfume, but I'm telling you, this is 100 ml. It will last you forever. You do not have to overspray. Don't overspray this perfume. Just a little dab here, maybe here. That's it. No overspraying of it. Great projection, great sillage, lasts forever. It's worth every penny. It's $450. Yikes. But it's worth every penny. It will last you a lifetime. and you only have to use very little. Every last penny is worth it. I'm telling you, although it's expensive. I will let you guys know if I find better deals for this perfume. I cannot wait to try more from this house, this fragrance house. Tiziana Terenzi Tabit, you guys. Please let me know in the comment section if you want to see more from this house and other niche brands that I'm exploring right now. I hope to bring you more unique fragrances like this in the year 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like it and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video.